Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to transfer Shopify store to another Shopify store, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our Shopify store. So I am going to log into my account because I already created an account. In fact, I have some store on my Shopify trial version, so I will going to work with those. So let's click on login. Once I click over here, then they will redirect me to the admin panel. So here you can see this is my admin panel. If I watch the online store, then you can see this is my online store. So here we have some of them, review and many more things. So I'm going to click on this Shopify store and I'm going to click on setting. Once I click over here, then I will need to find out the option called apps and sales. So here you need to be scroll down and you just need to find out the option called apps and sales channel, and here you just need to be click on Shopify app store. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to the new page called Shopify app store. It is similarly like a Play Store or an Apple Store, whereas you can only download mobile apps from Play Store and Apple Store, whether you are using iPhone or Android. But in Shopify App Store, you are allowed to install app for your Shopify store only. So this is the similar platform like other two platforms. So I'm going to search for Dupli. Once I search it here, then you can see we already get an app suggestion. So I'm going to click on this one, and now you can see this is the apps we need to install in our Shopify store. So here you can see we have 4.9 rating, developer name is Presidio, and the plan is fully free. So here you can read the information like Duplify Simplis, store cloning with automation, bulk export, and many more. So here I'm going to click on install. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to the next tab, and here I will get the option to install it for my website. So here I will click on install. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to that admin panel page. Here you can see the interface now. Here you can see this is the option. I want to export data out. The store is when your data will be originate from. I want to export data to this store. So here you can see if you want to watch the video, you are allowed to watch it, how to use Duplify demo.
Welcome to Duplify, the easiest way to make a copy
Let's watch it
of your Shopify store.
Okay, first of all, I need to be create another Shopify store. I already did complete, and here I just need to be install the apps called Duplify again, and click on or hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it would redirect you to the next page again, and you can see this is the Duplify your store. So I'm going to install it for this website also, because here you can see the interface. If you want to watch it, then you can see it. This is our design, and you can see the domain. This is design. I'm going to change it like that one. So I already clicked on install, and it will again take a time. Process is simply the same. You need to be understand how does the work. So here there is, I think there is I found some error. Okay, there is a problem I faced. So I'm going to click a new store, wall store, and then I'm going to click and create store. I'm going to work on this. So I remove all this necessary thing, and then store next, new business. Just simply you need to be follow this process. Once you've done it, you will create your website for you. So right now I'm going to skip. I will decide later, and our website creation has been done. Now I am, as you can see, now this is our website. If I click on here online store, then I will allow to watch the in front of view. Just click over here. I think there is some error I'm getting over that place. So let's click on this Yeah, now it's working, and this is the domain, and this is our design. And let's go into the click on add apps, and I'm going to click on Shopify app store. Finally, you can see this is our Shopify app store. I'm going to search Duplify and hit the enter button, and here you can see this is the apps. I'm going to click on install. As you can see, it has been working on the back end. Simply click on install. Once you click over here, it will be installed for you this website. So here, come back to this website, and I want to export the design for my that website. So how can I do it? So you need to be connected to your store. Like getting started is free. Don't forget to install your Duplify to all the store you would like to sync data. So here I sync it. I think there is again I get a problem or not. Let's click on install. I think I'm getting some error over here. Your trial for has been ended. Select balance Shopify. This is not my website, so I'm going to click on my store. So let's go and select apps. Yeah, it already installed over that place, but there is some problem happening in that admin panel because of some reason, because I already have lots of websites on this Shopify. So I'm going to clear those and I will come back again. So in this platform I'm getting some problems, so I'm going to work on this. So I completed here, so I'm going to copy this one. Once I done, I just note it here in the next page, and I also create a next store. Let's click on my store and create another one, or I can go with this one. So here I'm going to install this Duplify. So we just need to find out the solution, how it works. So don't start anything, everything is possible to solve. So let's start Duplify and click on Duplify store and click on install. So here I just need to click on install. So here our Duplify already installed here. So here I'm going to export the data. So I want to export data to this one. So let's go and to come back this platform and click on my store, and here we have the Duplify. Just click on and find out the app and sales channel. Click on start export. So here they are asking for unique key, destination store key. So if you, where do I find this? So be sure install Duplify your destination Shopify. So this is my new Shopify. I'm going to come back this place and refresh it, and again go to the setting, click on apps and sales. Here I'm going to click on open app and just copy this key, and I'm going to paste it here. My store notification email, I will provide my email. Yeah, now you can see start with a free demo. 5 products will be exported your destination. Start demo. Yeah, now you can see, don't blink, this will take a few seconds. So here you can see our choose export option products. I'm going to only export the products, and that will be activate one and start click. So in the free version we are only allowed to export 5 products. So here you can see our store has been connected. Choose export also we choose because we have 11 product. That's why I am getting problem. So I'm going to click on collections, and now I'm going to click on start export, and they are asking for plan even total for be exported. So we only allowed to 5. That's why we are getting this issue over here. So after selecting the plan, you are allowed to duplicate all the stored data to this one. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.